What up people, it's vdoestech back with another video, and today we are checking out a screen protector for the Z Fold 3. Now, I've never dealt with Whitestone Dome before, but I needed a screen protector because if you can see, I caught a pretty nasty scratch at the top of my screen here, which has been kind of irritating me for the last couple days. So I decided it was time to get a screen protector to swap this one out. Now, this is the OEM screen protector that came with the phone, so I haven't removed one yet. So this will be my first. Not gonna lie, low-key, kind of nervous, but let's just go ahead and get it over with. Where is it at? All right, there it goes. And hey, came off easy enough. Now I was kind of dreading it because it was a pretty deep scratch. I was hoping the screen wasn't scratched up, and I can see nothing. So the screen protector that Samsung provided, their OEM, did their job, but that one is off. Let's go ahead and crack into this Whitestone Dome. Oh shit, ooh, my bad. I just cut the box. Hopefully I didn't cut into the screen protector. All right, so that is out. Is there anything else? Yes, there is. So you get a little fiber cloth, you get some dust remover stickers, and you get screen cleaning cloth. Inside, you do get 2 protectors. That's a nice weight. I like that. So these are glass. I'm pretty sure I said that. Not sure. If I didn't, I said it again. Let's go ahead and take it out. Ooh, now something I did not know, it has little black borders going around the screen protector. So we will see if that blocks off anything on the screen. Hopefully it doesn't, but let's go ahead and install it. Let's go.
Downtown, I got that heat, let's go.